Hello, guys.
Hello, I'm Johnny.
I'm Julie.
We are
The Parsons RV Journey. So she knows it's coming. I'm coming up to her favorite part of our ride.
in and out.
She's a good little guard doggy.
This house up here has dogs in their yard.
Yeah, she knows it too, boy. She knows it from, well, I guess it's not a mile, but she knows it from a good ways away. Where they at, Gracie? Where's the doggy? Oh, there's the doggy. Only one of them's out today. Only one of the little. She's wagging her tail, so obviously, look at the back of her neck.
Got the old cat dog in, don't we?
Yeah,
Let's make them out. Good girl.
Good girl, Gardner bus.
Well, I need to turn left here.
Hey guys, we are just left, pulled out of Griffin, Georgia. We're headed to a local gig tonight at the Stevie B's in Fayetteville, Georgia.
Going the wrong way.
And he went out the wrong way. So now he just didn't want to have to make that left turn because it was kind of a tight turn. So now we're going to go a little bit around the long way. But we're going to be singing Christmas tonight. See, Santa's favorite. And Santa's favorite. And so anyway, that's what we're doing. Something local tonight in Georgia. And then Sunday we're going to be in Atlanta singing. So we just turned around in a driveway so that we could go the right direction down School Road towards Fayetteville. This is why we usually try to give ourselves an extra hour to get someplace. Hey guys, we are here at the Stevie B's Pizza and Buffet here in Fayetteville, Georgia. We're about to unload our equipment, go in there and sing them happy with some Christmas songs. And there's our dog. She's gonna guard the bus while we're gone.
Yep. Show them her little jacket there.
And her little jacket says, oh, you can't see it, but it says Wet Kisser. It says wet is underneath the thing, but it says Wet
That
Kisser.
actually might make more sense because she's just a kisser. She's not wet, but she's a kisser.
She's a kisser. Yes, she is.
She's a cutie.
Cute little girl. So we sang at Stevie B's tonight. We did some Christmas and we were able to actually do some gospel, some songs off of our CD, and Stevie B's Pizza in Fayetteville. Go check them out if you have not. The owners are Christians and they let us come in and sing. So we had a good night tonight, and we have made it back to a safe parking space. On the way back, we had 3 deer run out in front of us. The RV tried to hydroplane, and a drunk driver, 4 deer, almost run out in front of us. The RV tried to hydroplane, and then a drunk driver or a texting driver, the new
Almost
drunk
ran
is
off the road
texter,
in front of us.
almost ran off.
But God is good.
Yes, he's good. He's good. Praise God, we made it back.
You're still breathing.
There's still hope. Absolutely. Y'all enjoy your Christmas.